Grace from Teens Department, and today we're gonna make our wreath spring. So in your kit, you're gonna find our wire, a ball, a wreath, flowers, and 3 things. So first of all, you're gonna start connecting your hot glue gun. Once it's ready, you're gonna start applying the ball first. So you should be careful with that hot glue because it's a little dangerous. So you're gonna pick whatever side you want. Okay, so we're gonna start at this side. So you're gonna apply a hot glue gun. And then you're gonna put your ball like that. And you're gonna press a few seconds so that way the ball can stay. Then it's gonna be look like that. Then after this, you're gonna apply the leaves. You have 3 on your kit. So you wanted to put one down and the other up and the other end. Like that. So that's gonna look like that. Okay? Remember, you should be careful with the hot glue. After this, you're gonna apply your flowers. You have this kind of flowers, like long flowers, and you're gonna put you're gonna form like an X. And I recommend to put some glue in here in the middle, a lot, and then you can start applying the flowers. The hot glue is gonna be a little messy sometimes, but that's fine. So we're almost done. And finally, so that way we can see all this mess in here, you're gonna apply these little flowers in here in the middle. So you can put more hot glue again. You're gonna hold it a few seconds so that way it stay there. So now it's gonna look like that. So if you're using just these strings, you can take it out too. So that way it's neat and nice. Hopefully you enjoy doing it. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, so this is a final project for a spring wreath. And you see we had the ball in here and then the flowers. And in the end, you're gonna add these kind of little flowers in here so that way you can see the hot glue gun in there. So hopefully you enjoy doing it. Thank you.